Hi there, it's Wendy Hernandez with Command the Courtroom, and in this week's video I want to talk with you about who you should listen to in your custody case. And I've often said in these videos that even if you don't have an attorney, which I know that most people watching these videos don't, it's a good idea to at least consult with one to get pointed in the right direction and know that you're on the correct track. And a lot of people who do watch these videos actually do have attorneys. So if you've consulted with an attorney or you have an attorney, it's probably a good idea to listen to that attorney and what they're telling you about the laws and the rules of your state, what they're telling you about the judge, what they're telling you about the other side's strategy. The trap that I see a lot of people fall into is they start listening to their cousin, their best friend, their coworker, their new significant other, and it causes a lot of what's called cognitive dissonance. It causes confusion in the mind of the client. And when you're working with an attorney, or if you've consulted with one, then that causes even more problems. And I bring this up because right now I have a client who I love, I care about. I've been handling the case for about a year now. Unfortunately, it's dragging on. And in the course of the case, my client met somebody, and this somebody has been through his own divorce. He went through his own custody battle, and he has his own opinions about how things should be handled. And those opinions are not necessarily in alignment with my opinions. And well, I've never personally gone through a divorce or custody battle. I've done probably close to 1,000 of these in my 20 years of experience. So now not only do I feel like I'm having to battle the other party and please the judge, but now I'm having to undo the effect of what the third party, the new significant other, is telling my client. And of course, she loves him. You know, she's in that honeymoon phase. She wants to believe him. She wants to please him. And it's making my life difficult. It's really increasing the cost of litigation for my client because he tells her to do one thing and it's not necessarily consistent with what the law says should happen. So then I have to prove to my client why we should not take that course of action. So even if you don't have an attorney, I'm hoping, because you're watching these videos, you know, that you're doing your research and that you know what the laws say and that you're relying upon what the laws say and that you are consulting with reliable sources about what to do in your case. And you have to follow the laws, you have to follow the authorities. Each case is different, and while many facts might be the same, the cases are different, the judges are different, the circumstances are different. No two cases are alike, and just because Joe Schmo's case came out one way doesn't mean yours is going to. And you really have to pay attention to the circumstances of your case. So if you have an attorney, listen to your attorney. You're paying that person for a reason. Not listening to them really is just a waste of your money then to have that person. You might as well get rid of them and I guess just listen to the significant other. If you don't have an attorney, find some reliable sources and rely on those. The people in your life, they care about you. They have your best interests at heart. They mean well, but oftentimes they cause more confusion than anything. So I hope this little video helped on who you should listen to your case. And above all, you know, you have to listen to yourself and your gut instinct. You know, I want to say that I'm a people pleaser. I want people around me to be happy. And there are times in my life, in the past and even now, when I do something that goes against my grain or that I don't really want to do just for the sake of pleasing people. But when it comes to your kids, you have to do what you know in your stomach, in your gut, what is the right thing to do, even if you're risking upsetting somebody else. So sorry, went off on that little tangent, but remember to like Command the Courtroom on Facebook. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out commandthecourtroom.com. Be on the lookout for more cool stuff coming in 2018. I hope you're having a fantastic year. And until next week, keep on trucking and remember to command the courtroom.